Welcome to Trade with Rob, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Wednesday, January 29, 2025. Hope you're having a fantastic day. As we get started, keep in mind that everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you find something you like, anything, make sure it fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance. All right, I want to start off first with Netflix, which was a trade from yesterday's setups to take today. So we had it as a switchback. Right? And what happened? Well, we moved up and down today. Let's go look at what the chart shows on an intraday basis. You know, shorter time frame. Let's look at a 5-minute. Right? So we gapped down. We ran. We had no retest in there. We broke out, came back, bounced, and bullish trade was taken. We were stopped out on this move down right in here, and then overall closed on the upside today. So the trade on Netflix for today was a trade taken, bearish trade. We got on at 967, got out at 974 and a quarter. So we're down $522 on that trade. Probably one of the bigger losing trades we have had for us, right? But it is Netflix. Big dollar win, big dollar loss. So we're up 16,191.24. 60 wins, 13 ones that have gone against us, 3 trades that broke even, 76 trades overall, 213.04. is the overall P&L per trade on these setups. All right, so let's go look at the candidates from today. The other 2 trades did not set up. So let's go look at a daily chart of the S&P 500 first. Let's start off there. This is actually a weekly. You get the daily one. All right. So you can see we had a nice little recovery. Yesterday was a good close above this blue zone. We got a great recovery back above that 60-60. That's where I was hoping for us to be. Retest bounce. Katie barred the doors. We're a true bull right now. We're a rank of 2. If I'm going to move up, a retest and a bounce, not only am I bullish on the market, I am bullish even for directional trades, meaning something I'm going to hold overnight. First candidate for us today is Adobe. All right, let's go look at the entire move first. There's our Adobe setup. I don't really have a move to the downside here. I only really have the move to the upside. So let's go grab a blue pen on this one and get above the 444 level, pull back, retest. Doesn't have to come all the way down and bounce, right? You're going to take the trade on the retest. You're going to put the stop down below the 444. If resistance is at 459, my target is going to be about 457. I don't have enough room to the downside because I'd have to go down to the 21 moving average, which would be 438, and we're at 444. It's just a little too tight for me. All right, so that's trade number 1. Next is Mr. Softy, Microsoft. Let's go look at the entire fib. There it is. Let's bring it in. Great move, great recovery today. So much for the Chinese AI program. Blah, 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 blah. They had to shut it down, I understood today, because of people getting hacked or their accounts getting captured or broken into, whatever it was. So I don't know how good the security is or isn't. I'm just wondering if they really spent only $5.5 million to get this thing up and running. But Microsoft had a phenomenal recovery yesterday and today, right? Yesterday gapped down, good bounce. Today it put us back where we were before the announcement on the AI from China. So right now, I love what I'm seeing here. So we've got 36, 48. Okay, so I don't need to split any levels in here. We're good. I would prefer the upside personally. Move up, retest, bounce, right? Take the trade on the bounce, stop down below. If the resistance is at 458, my target's going to be about 455. Right? On the downside, which still has a lot of opportunity, retest on that 448 and fail. 436 is support. Sorry. You're going to take the trade off of the 448, stop just on the other side. That means my target on this is going to be about 439 to the downside. Right? So 448, 439. Very nice setup. And then TSM is our last one. Right, I'll show you the entire fib, and as I do, let me talk a little bit about it. So guys, keep in mind, I'm giving you 3 candidates, which is what we normally do. That's the goal, is to give you 3 candidates. There are 21 today. You're only seeing 3, right? So a very, very, very small portion of the potential trade setups for tomorrow. These are ones that I like, but there might be some others that you like better. The way that you get access to those is go over to tradinglikeaboss.com. You will see Trade with Rob. You can register for that. It's free. You'll get an email daily that says, hey, here's the update with the video. Here's all the candidates. And even on days that I don't teach, that I don't do the recording, you'll get an email that says, hey, here are all the trades that we were going to consider for our list today. All right, with that, let's bring this back in now. And we definitely have a great switchback opportunity here. So I like, overall, I prefer the downside personally. So break the 201, retest, and fail. You're going to take the trade when it fails, maybe at about 200 or so. Stop is going to be just on the other side. If support is at 193, my target's going to be at 194 for my downside. For the upside, retest, bounce. If it does, and you're going to set your stop down here, by the way, right? You're going to take the trade on the bounce. If resistance is at 207, 207 and a half, right about 206, that's an R, not a B. Right, my target's going to be right about 206 on this setup, right? It's about $1.50 below. So overall, we've got some great opportunities here. Have a great rest of your day. See you at our next one. Bye for now.